Mateusz, you just attended LUBExpert Implementation Master Class Block Advocate. How does it feel? How was it?
It was very good. I'm very happy that I had occasion to attend this training, and you are doing a great job to share the knowledge, because we have to share the knowledge, awareness, and make people's lives better. And this is making people's lives better and operations of the assets much better. And with awareness, it starts. So
excellent.
It's very good.
How does that fit in your line of work, in your area of work?
So basically, we manufacture sensors, and sensors are used for condition monitoring. But condition monitoring cannot be a target on its own. It has to be a part of a bigger picture. So it has to be planned. It has to fit into a reliability culture. It has to be structured. And lubrication is also a very important aspect in the field, and it comes together very well.
Excellent. You are a real LUBExpert advocate. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gayet başarılı bir eğitim geçti. Yağlama açısından da bizlere yeni bakış açıları kazandırdığını düşünüyoruz. Ve bunun aslında tüm işletmeler genelinde yayılması gerektiğini düşünüyoruz. Biz bunun için şirketimize döndüğümüzde öncülük edeceğiz. Buradaki eğitimin faydalarını anlatacağız. Genele yayılması konusunda da sizlerle iletişim kurmayı düşünüyoruz.